It's Thredup Thursday. Did you guys miss me? I took Tuesday off for Christmas Eve, but I'm back for Thredup Thursday. Today is the day after Christmas. However, I am pre-filming this, so it's actually before Christmas. I'm still wearing some of my Christmas gear. I've got some gorgeous candy cane earrings layered in pearls and some sort of red stone, not sure what that is, and my red blazer. So I'm ready to get celebrating, y'all. I still have a ton of gift wrapping left to do, and I've got my holiday decorations going on behind me. So speaking of, you can see I've still got my tree up in the background, which, let's be honest, it's probably still going to be up for a few more videos. It's going to take me a while to put all the Christmas decorations away. So enjoy while I still have it up. There is one thing that I want to point out that's on my tree. Many of you know that Brighton over at Brighten Your Day and I are friends, and he sent me a little early Christmas gift, and this is another one of his gorgeous fairy doors. This one is kind of like the one that he already made for me right here. It has this piece of the Tarina Tarantino necklace that I sent him from one of my DIY boxes. He added that with a little dangle fairy and this gorgeous blue doorknob. And you guys, look how beautiful this purple paint is. It matches the necklace piece perfectly. So I've added it to my tree with my other fairy doors. I've got both of them on there and just wanted to say thank you to Brighton. So I have it back on the tree so you guys can enjoy my fairy doors on my tree, and I have a few unopened presents that I need to open, and we're going to get going on this fun box. So I'm not exactly sure when I ordered this one. It's, of course, from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Hopefully there'll be a receipt in here and we can see when I ordered it. If there's anything in this fun box that you want to purchase, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. and I am happy to sell to you directly. I will have prices on the screen if I don't know the price off the top of my head, and we will get going. I do have a box cutter today. Yay me. This is one that Misty over at Skeeter Jones sent me, so thank you, Misty. All right, let's get opening on this one right here. Just cut the tape in true Mechanicsburg style, just one piece of tape. There is a receipt on the top right here. Let's see. This is a fun box. And if you aren't familiar with the Thredup Fun Boxes, it is 10 or at least 10 miscellaneous items. Can range in accessories, sleepwear. I mean, really, who knows what you're going to get. And they are $34 plus shipping plus tax. For me, it comes to just shy of $50. And this I ordered on October the 2nd. All right, I'm going to give you guys the first peek, and then I will pause to take a thumbnail picture. All right, here we go. Let's see if we scoot over a little bit. Looks like we have a hat, which I feel like every fun box I've been getting lately has got a hat in it. Looks like there's some sort of black, maybe tank, bralette, swimwear, not sure. Looks like maybe we've got a little wicker bag, and not sure what else is in there. Okay, I'm going to pause for a thumbnail. I'll be right back. Well, in the process of taking my thumbnail, I realized I knocked over my tea, so we had a little cleanup pause as well. Luckily, everything's okay. It had a lid on it, so. All right, so let's start with the item that's inside the hat. It's like a black item. Oh, it feels like it's a bra. Let's see. Either bra, bralette, swimwear of some sort. Ooh, this is pretty. Really nice. We have like a mesh down the center. Oh, I don't think I know this one. Okay, this is by the brand Blanky. No idea. Okay. This is in a size large, and it has a retail price of $49. And it says this is support wear. It says it's the adjustable racer back. Oh, it's a nursing bra. Oh, yay. Okay, racer back nursing bra. A sporty solution. Oh, Oh, for postpartum bust lines. I love this. Okay. Yay. So we got a nursing bra. I'll have to look up this brand. I'm not familiar with it, but it's in like a bralette style. And let's see. It does have the unclippable top so you can nurse and then reclip. Yay. Okay. Love this. I will have a price on the screen for this. So that's awesome. I love getting maternity items, actually, you guys. All right, next up, we've got the hat. Oh, this feels nice. Okay, this feels maybe like a wool. Some little fuzzies on it. Let's see. It is. It says 100% wool. Here's the tag. Okay. And just made in China. So I don't see like a brand name or anything like that. It's beautiful though. In a really pretty neutral color. I will say there's a few marks on it. See if you guys can see the kind of indentions there. Maybe where there's like a little bit of wool missing. Yeah, it looks like there's maybe a couple spots like that on the inside as well. Like through here. So, you know, I will do my best to Google Lens this and see if I can come up with a price for this one. But either way, there'll be a price on the screen. I love hats, you guys, but I feel like it's never really cold enough here for me to wear them. One time I did get is it Eric Javits hat in a fun box. It was like almost like a little fedora style, and I kept it probably for about a year, and I only wore it twice. I looked really cute in it, you guys. But I ended up just having to sell it because, you know, wearing it twice a year, hot that beautiful, I just couldn't justify holding on to it. So that's how I do sometimes. All right, next up we have this little wicker basket. This is cute. Let me pull the whole thing out here. It's this white or almost like woven between like a blonde and a white. Okay. You have a snap closure here. All right. With like a camel trim. This is the way that it attaches at the top. So it's a hard shell. And then the inside has this beautiful like paisley and flower print in it. So there is a tag on the inside, but it doesn't have a brand name. But it does have an RN number. So I will look up the RN number, see if it's a brand or anything that I recognize, and put more information on the screen. But there's your interior. Looks like it's never been used. And the snap works. This would be super cute for like a little summer vacay or something. So that's adorable. All right, next up, what is this? Okay, maybe some shapewear. My goodness. Okay, it looks like we have some shaping briefs. Let's see if we've got it. Okay, yeah, this is by Shaper Mint Essentials. And it says Everyday Empower Mesh Shaper Panty. And this is in a 2XL. The 2XL fits a pant size 18 to 20, a waist 38 to 42, and a hip 45 to 48. So this is in a very, like, kind of like a nude color. It does have like the little rubber on the inside to hold in place. And then it has these like mesh parts here right above the thigh. So very cool. I love getting shapewear. So that's awesome. I'll have to look up the price on this Shaper Mint because I'm not familiar with it off the top of my head. All right, so let me give you another peek at the box. We have a few more little things floating around, and then we can go through and count our items. All right, let's see here. Looks like we have some tights. We do. They are brand new, and these are by Loft, okay? They're in a size medium. These are textured tights, and let's see. Let me take them out of the bag so you can see what the actual texture is, because your skin would show through like the perforation in the tights. Really cute, like a little diamond pattern and then a little stripe. These are adorable. So a medium would fit height 5'2" to 5'8" and weight 115 to 145 pounds. These were $16.50. as far as their retail goes. So if anyone's interested in these, let's do these for $6. Those are awesome. All right, next up, we've got a couple little baggies of things. OMG, and there's something else floating around in here. I might as well show this next. This is just floating around the box. It's one of the little purse hangers where you put this on the like edge of a table, and then you can hang your purse here. So you don't put your purse maybe on the floor if there aren't any extra little chairs to put it in. You guys, you do not want to hang it on the back of your chair. Okay? Ask me how I know. This was like, I don't even remember how many years ago. Probably 7 or 8 years ago. I had my bag hanging on the back of my chair at a La Madeleine. I was having lunch with some friends. So I wasn't by myself. And you guys, someone stole my wallet out of my purse while I was there and emptied everything out of my checking account. I'm not even joking. So, I never the bank made it right, but I never got my wallet back or anything like that. So, and it was just hanging on the back of my chair. My friends were there the whole time. They never saw a thing. So it's crazy. So anyways, this is great. If anyone, and look how bejeweled it is. Let's see if all the rhinestones are there. They are. Okay. I don't see any branding or anything on it, but this is nice. So we'll just say $3 on this if anyone's interested. Oh, it was in this box. Let's see. I still don't see any branding or anything like that. So it just came out of the box. So I guess it's supposed to be new in the box. I'm not sure, but we'll put it back in the box like that. Okay, $3. Next up, you guys, we got Kate Spade. Yay. This is beautiful, by the way. We have a little Kate Spade card holder. It is floral with blue and yellow flowers and some green. It's on like a cream background. Really nice. This is in excellent condition. I would venture to say new without tags. It doesn't look like anyone's used it. All right, okay. The edge coat looks amazing. Love this. And then on the back is your little spade. So I will look this one up and have a price on the screen. Okay, let's see what we have next. Looks like we have like 2 little baggies of items left. Okay, so let's see what's in this little baggie. Looks like some jewelry. Oh, this one's sweet. This is a seal. Oh my gosh, that's really bright, bright with the hologram. We have like a clear ring in here. I'm going to have to open this because I don't know. I have no idea what size this is. Okay, but it's like a clear, almost like a quartz looking type ring. So I will take this out of the bag and I will measure it and I will have the size and the price on the screen. I don't have my ring sizer right next to me right now. So next item that was in the little baggie is this little bracelet. It's adjustable, so it can fit any size. It says, make a wish. Put on this jewelry and make a wish. When the chain has worn through, legend says your wish will come true. Well, I hope that doesn't take too long. That's awesome, though. It's like a little pink druzy, okay? And then you're on a pink cord, and you've got a little blue bead and another little gold bead right there. So really pretty. If anyone's interested in this, we'll just say $3 on this. That's sweet. So I'm thinking maybe they counted this item as 1. All right, and then we've got, oh dear, 2 more baggies. Just kidding. Looks like maybe we've got a belt. This is cool. It looks like there might be even a marking on here. Wow. Oh, this is very heavy. Okay. This says copyright 1994, so definitely vintage. And then it says Taiwan. Wow. This is really, really nice. It's very heavy. Let me unlink this all the way. Let's see if we see any other marks on here. I may have to Google lens this and see, since it is copyrighted, if I can find a brand of some sort. But the way that it links is right here. This reminds me a lot of that Brighton belt I picked up at the Goodwill. Okay, and it's linked, and it's got all these textured little discs throughout. Okay, get like that. And then you have your chain here. And then the little dinkle disc. So I will measure this and I will try to look this up and see if there's a brand associated with it. And I will have a price on the screen for this one. I love this. Like I said, that really reminds me of that Brighton belt that I had. Was that in my thrift haul video? I think that was in my thrift haul video. If you guys happen to miss that video, I'll make sure to link it above. That was a collab with my friend Brighton and my friend Jennifer over at French Teacher in VA. We all went thrifting together when I was in Virginia, and we did a little collab about it, like what we thrifted and what we picked up. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already. All right, last item in the box, one I'm pretty excited about. We got some headbands. You know, I love headbands. I have one in right now. It's like a black glitter. This one I got from my friend Lindsay over at Lindsay Clark. So if you're not familiar with Lindsay's channel, make sure to go check that out. We've got 3 headbands. All right, so we have one that is like almost like a cotton, okay? And it's in a black and white, like snake print. This is really cool. Like I said, no branding. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, I love that. I don't know yet if I'm keeping any of these or not, so I'll either put keeping on the screen or I'll put a price. But that one's cool. I don't have a snake print one, okay? Next up, we have another one that's kind of like a cotton, okay? And this one is in an animal print, which is also very cool. And these do have the top knots, but they're not like super high top knots. They're more like they have a lower profile on them. So there's that one. That one's adorable, especially with my red I have on. So anyways, I will either say keeping or have a price on the screen for this one. Last but not least, oh, this one's marked, you guys. This one says Sophie Buhai. I don't know. I'm not familiar with this brand. This is one I'm going to have to look up. This one is a structured puffy headband. It looks like it's wrapped and it's in a really dark blue. Really nice. Again, not familiar, so I'll have to look it up. So because it's like the structured puffy, it does come off of your head a little bit like that. I feel like it's almost like a crown or something, right? So anyways, this one's really nice, and I will either put keeping or have a price on the screen for this one. All right, so let's figure out how many items we got from Mechanicsburg. We got the set of headbands, which I think they're counting as 1. So we'll say 1. The belt for 2, which that belt is so cool. Okay, the jewelry packet for 3. The Kate Spade card holder for 4. The purse holder for 5. The Loft tights for 6. The shapewear for 7. The little bag for 8. The wool hat for 9. And then we have the nursing bra for 10. So we got exactly 10 items, although a couple of the little pouches had more items. So, you know, technically maybe we got like 13 or something. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. I will have to look up some of the items in the box. I don't know if there's a total standout in the box, but that's the fun part about doing these fun boxes. Sometimes an item that you don't suspect will have a great value. It does. And I almost always feel like, for the most part, that you can make your money back as a reseller on these boxes. Anyways, drop it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope everybody had an awesome Christmas. I will be back next week for a Goodwill jewelry jar unboxing on Tuesday. And then on Thursday, another Thredup Thursday. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure to give me a thumbs up on the way out. Bye, y'all.